So yes, today we are going to continue with lesson number 9, Bon appetit. It's a good meal, happy meal. And we are going to start up with the topic, la negation avec les articles partitifs. How we are going to do the negation when article partitif is given in a sentence. Okay. Whenever we change it into negation, if it is due in the sentence, de la, या फिर it is they, or it is del apostrophe, whatever it is, it will be changing to de or d apostrophe. ठीक है, दोनों में से कुछ भी हम कर सकते हैं. When we will be placing d apostrophe, when your next word is starting with the vowel, then clear? de and the apostrophe. Let us see the example. It will be more clear with the example. My sentence is je prends du café, and I have to do the negative of this. So how we do negative? Ne before the verb and pa after the verb. So what is the verb? Prendre. Je ne prends pas. Ne before the verb and pa after the verb, and this du will be changed to the café. So whatever the article particle is in the sentence, you're going to change it to de, the. Next, il boit the le. He drink water. He drink water. Now I have to change this into negative. Il ne. जो subject के बिल्कुल बाद दिया होता है, that is your verb always. Il ne boit pas. Okay. Negative हो गया. Del apostrophe will change this to de. Now the next word is starting with vowel. So here we are going to place d apostrophe. Okay. Now understood when to place de and when to place d apostrophe. जब आपका जो object है, whatever the thing we are talking about, if it is starting with the vowel, then we will be placing d apostrophe instead of de. Okay, everyone? Now, if in the sentence it is given le, la, le, or l apostrophe, it will be not changing. No change will be there in this. It will remain same. Suppose my sentence is L M le gâteau. She loves the cake, and I have to do the negation for this. My verb is aimer. Elle n'aime pas le gâteau will remain same. It will be only le gâteau. Okay. Elle n'aime pas le gâteau. Ne before the verb and pa after the verb. Here I have placed an apostrophe because my verb was starting with a vowel. What are the vowels in French? A, E, I, O, U, and H. So this is negation. Now, with the related question of negation, I think there is in the back exercise. No, we have no question. So the question can come. Okay, जैसे मैंने आपको examples दिए हैं in the paper, questions can come that you have to change the following into the negative sentences. And if partitive article will be there, you are going to change it to de or d apostrophe. If article definite will be there, then no change will be there. Now come to page number 107. Page number 107 have a topic exprimer la quantité, expressing the quantity. How we are expressing the quantity in French. Okay. Now, first is une barre de chocolat. You have to write it in the books. It's a bar of chocolate. Please write it down. Une barre de chocolat is bar of chocolate. Above you have to write. Don't be sleepy. Right above it. Une barre de chocolat. It's a bar of chocolate. Next is une boîte de crème, a box of cream, a box of cream. Une bouteille de eau, water bottle, water bottle. Yun trench the pain, a slice of bread. Yun trench the pain, a slice of bread. Yun douzain the orange, a dozen of orange. Yun douzain the orange, a dozen of orange. Yun part the pizza, a part of pizza. A part of pizza. A paquet the sheep, a packet of chips. A paquet the sheep, a packet of chips. A litre the wheel, 1 liter of oil. And last is a kilo the pomme, that is a kg of apple. A kg of apple. Page number 108, it's vocabulary. First I'll be reading French words, then the English words. First is la bière, is a beer. La boisson is drink. La confiture, jam. La crème, cream. La salade, salad. La soupe is soup. La tartine is toast. La viande means meat. Le beurre, butter. Le café, coffee. Le champagne, sparkling wine. Le coca, Coca-Cola. Next is le croissant, is a croissant. I've already told you what is croissant. It's a kind of patty filled with the vegetables, or it can be paneer. It's a kind of patty which is there in France. Le déjeuner is lunch. Le dîner is dinner. Le fromage is cheese. Le goûter is evening snack. Le lait means milk. Le mouton is mutton. Le petit déjeuner means breakfast. Le potage is soup. Le poulet is chicken. Le repas means meal. Then is le repas complète, complete meal. Next is le riz is rice. Le steak is steak. Le sucre is sugar. Le thé is tea. Le water. Le huile oil. Les légumes vegetables. A kilo the, a kilo of. A litre the, a liter of. A paquet the, a packet of. Une boîte the, a box of. Une bar the, a bar of. Une bouteille the, a bottle of. Une douzaine the, a dozen of. Une part the, a part of. Une tranche the, a slice of. Pendant is during. Quelquefois is sometimes, and souvent is often. Question 5, you need to conjugate the given verbs in present tense. See to it now. Jack dash duty, आपको prondre verb करनी है. First of all, I'm writing here the prondre verb. We have already done this. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. ठीक है, अब je के साथ हम लगाएंगे prond. Then with you it will be prond. And it will be prond. इनके साथ s लगेगा. S. Nous prenons. Vous prenez. Ils, elles prenons. This is your exceptional verb. Okay. If I talk about boire, it's होगा je bois. Okay. Tu bois. Boire means to drink. Il, elle boit. ये आपको लर्न करनी है verbs. ये exceptional verbs है. Nous buvons. Vous buvez. Ils, elles Boavo. So basically in this we have boire and prendre verb. Okay. If you know that how to conjugate these verbs, then you'll be easy. It will be easier for you to conjugate the sentences in the present tense. Now Jacques. Jacques is a name of boy. So il और l के साथ क्या आता है? Just raise your hand. What will come? Jacques dash Dury. What will be the answer? Laksh. Okay, Riddhima. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, friend. Ma'am,
Prawn.
friend.
Prawn.
Prawn.
Okay. Next, Harsh. Il dash dule में il dash due थे. वैदिक, you try to answer. इल के साथ बुआर वर्ब में क्या आया है?
Ma'am, boy.
Spell it.
Ma'am, BOIRE.
कहाँ लिखा है ऐसा? यहाँ देखो,
Ma'am.
इल और एल के साथ क्या है? BOIT नहीं है?
BOIT.
हाँ जी. अब नेक्स्ट है इल्स. इल्स के साथ क्या है बुआर वर्ब में? That's why I have written the verb here.
Bouvant.
Yes, boavant. Ils boavant. So this way you have to fill. आप sentence का आप subject देखिए क्या है और subject के accordingly fill the verb. Okay. Next is manger verb. This is very simple. ER ending regular verb. Vous mangez de la baguette and nous mangions. अब इसमें exception होती है. ONS नहीं आता, EONS आता है. Only with manger verb. Next is else dash. Riddhima, else dash leur déjeuner à 3 heures.
Yes, ma'am. Else prevent.
No.
No.
Next. Ritul, tell me the next answer. Nous dash du jour de fruit aujourd'hui. What will come in boire verb with nous? Ritul? Ritul, are you able to hear me?
Ma'am, it is bouvant.
Nous buvons. Next is vous dash votre repas à l'heure. You dashed your meal at time.
Ma'am, friends.
Pranay. P-R-E-N-E-Z. Okay. So just learn the verbs, like the subjects, and see what you have to conjugate. Whether you have to conjugate with il, el, nous, vous, je, tu, whatever the subject is. Accordingly, just fill the verb. Okay. Now comes the next question. Shazlin Tres, you need to circle the odd one out. So let us find what is the odd one out. Yeah. La confiture, le beurre, le riz, le marmalade. Marmalade is a kind of topping. जैसे topping होती है हम bread पर लगाते हैं. ठीक है? First is jam, what next is butter, next is rice, and next is la marmalade. So here the odd one out will be le riz, rice. Because all the things we apply butter on bread, we apply jam on bread, we apply marmalade on bread. So le riz will be the odd one out here. Next, la pomme, la banane, la pomme, la viande, l'ananas, and la poire. So here pomme is your apple, viande is your chicken, ananas is your pineapple, and poire is your pear. So I think la viande will be odd one out. Okay. Next is le pain, le thé, le café, le juice. Pain is bread, thé is tea, then café is coffee, and juice is the juice. So le pain. This is the thing what we eat, and rest all are the drinks. Le concombre, le haricot, le poivron, la banane. Cocombre is your cucumber. Then haricot is your beans. Then poivron is your pepper, and banana is your banana. So haricot, all the three things are the eatables. Banana is eatable. Then your haricot is eatable. Cucumber is eatable. Now poivron is a pepper. It's a kind of salt. So le poivron is your odd one out. Clear? Le poivron. Now the last question of the chapter. Question number 7. So here are the few things which are drawn, and you need to tell what you eat in breakfast, what you eat in lunch, what you eat in evening snack, and what you eat in dinner. So if I talk about the first one, that is the breakfast. You eat eggs in the breakfast. Uffs. Beurre is your butter. Pain is your bread. And fruit is your fruits. So these all things you are eating in the breakfast. Next, the second one is au déjeuner. You eat legumes, vegetables. You eat chicken, poulet, and else what you can eat rice, duri. Third, au goûter. In the evening snack, you can have jus d'orange. You can have tea, latte, and you can also have pizza in the evening snack. Last comes the dinner. In dinner, you can have baguette, is a kind of bread. You can also have rice. You can also have legumes in the dinner. You can also have fromage in the dinner. So these all things you can have in the dinner. So this is all about your chapter number 9. One more question we have left over with this question number 2. In this, we need to match the expression of quantity with the products. Okay. So I am just telling you a kilo the. First one will be carrot. A kilo the carrot. A kg of carrots. Then second, a bar of butter, beurre. A dozen of eggs. Next is yun butai the coca, bottle of coke. Next is yun buat a box of medicines, medicamo. And the last will be a part the gato, a part of cake. Okay, now our chapter is over.